Hey YouTube! Today we're going to learn how to not include international shipping on your listing. On occasion, you won't want to have your items be able to go overseas. You may be either using the global shipping program or you may not be, but there's a certain way that you have to set up your international shipping section on your item in order to not include additional international shipping. So first thing, you're going to bring your item up to edit. Now, sometimes a mistake is made because you can see domestic and international shipping here. A lot of times folks will think that if they go to the customize and they select to not display international shipping services, then that would indicate that they don't offer international shipping. See, international is now gone. That is in fact not valid, because had you had anything in the international shipping section and then you went and hid it, that information would still be valid even though you can't see it anymore. So let's go ahead and display international again. With international shipping, if you wanted to use the global shipping program, you could check mark this box. You don't have to though, that's purely a personal choice. If you didn't want to allow overseas shipping at all, you're going to want to keep this unselected. Now the key thing here is that for additional international shipping options, you need it to stay flat, same cost to all buyers. And all of your services, they should all say select a shipping service. At times, when you're creating a listing, maybe you're doing calculated shipping for your item. And we'll just leave this information there. So sometimes folks will change this to calculated as well, thinking that it needs to match. But this is actually going to give you errors if you leave this as calculated. So you want to make sure this is set to flat. You're going to scroll down a little bit more. The additional ship to location should say not specified. If this doesn't say not specified, chances are you're going to get an error as well. So in that case, what you want to do, if it says Canada, let's say, you're going to want to go down to your shipping options button. You want to go to your international tab, where it says additional ship to locations. It should say select a location. If it says anything like worldwide or custom locations, and maybe a couple of these are checkmarked, then that's going to be a problem. So you can always revert it back. It's always going to be the very first selection within this. Same for your international services. If for some reason a couple of these are selected and you don't actually want to offer international shipping because maybe you used one of your items as a template for another listing, all you would need to do is come back in here, scroll up, select a shipping service. Scroll up, select a shipping service, until they all say select a shipping service, and the additional ship to also says select a shipping location, or I'm sorry, select a location. So once again, just to clarify, you want this to stay flat, same cost to all buyers, and you want to do select a shipping service for all of your options. And that's how you do not include international shipping on a Turbo Lister item. Keep watching for more videos on how to build your eBay arsenal.